I'm so happy to be here, yeah. I'm just happy to be here. Still I know the world's on fire, the situation's dire. A lot of work and courage gonna be required, but I'm just happy to be here.
Is it? Look at all these dinghies. Here's mellow yellow from yesterday. Look at all these dinghies.
We're headed over here to the fuel dock. We're gonna get fuel and we're gonna pick up some friends of ours to take out on the boat.
It was a great sailing day. Great to meet Josh and Susan. We had fresh cheeses and I had goat sausage for the first time, which was delicious. Got the sunshade out. Great day sailing. Bunch of fishing boats. Took some friends for a little sail.
Yeah. Right. Not risky.
This giant beast again. Look at all the boats coming in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are mobile chicken pens or chicken tractors, and this way Josh can move the pen each day or every other day and keep fresh grass and keep the chickens moving and keep fertilizing.
We're harvesting some.
Wow. So this is my first experience seeing mushrooms grow. They basically grow out of these blocks and are harvested daily. Yeah, it's a lot of work on an organic farm. They do a hell of a job of it. No tunnel. Tunnel.
Yeah, this variety, Carmen, the red one, is the same variety.
Just goes to show the difference of what tunnels can do for plant growth and harvest. And we had a delicious farm fresh meal with fresh veggies, farm fresh chicken. It was delicious. Great food, great company. And Monday morning we finished our farm tour of the animals and headed back on home to Onward. It was yeah, great hanging out with Josh and Susan. We had a blast.
This is mud fresh harvested from the bottom of the Connecticut River here in Old Saybrook, Connecticut. We'll see what kind of miracles it works.
Right there, right from there. Heading up the Connecticut River to go check out the swallow migration. Our first bridge, big train bridge. Feel that current.
Just in time.
Just in time.
Oh my God. There she comes. We made it under in the nick of time. Holy cow.
It was actually a really short motor to the Goose Island. It was probably a couple miles. It took us half hour. 2 bridges, and luckily we found 2 free moorings just on the south side of Goose Island and stayed there for like 3 days. This is our gorgeous little Goose Island anchorage off the Connecticut River. And it's, of course, the GoPro's not going to pick it up, but there are hundreds of thousands of swallows in the sky here. I mean, it's way out here, but the whole freaking sky. Yeah, it was almost hard to believe. Like, I looked through the binoculars and all you could see was black specks for as far as you could see. It was looked like a just giant swarm of bugs for miles.
Holy cow.
Really cool. From the water, sometimes it's hard to get a feeling for your surroundings. So it's a real special feeling to be able to fly the drone, capture the beauty around us, see where we're going, see where we've come from. It's truly special. must be fool's gold, but this beach is full of gold. Look at this. Wednesday was a nice relaxing day. Kind of just hung out on the boat. We went and explored Cabs Island, went for a couple little hikes, hung out on the beach. Yeah, gorgeous day. Words to live by.
It is cold!
I told you it was cold. I just jumped in. Now she's getting in. Yeah, a shark could grab you and you wouldn't even know it. Thursday was just a beautiful, relaxing day. We've been on the go, so it was really nice to just hang out on the boat, hang out, do some editing.
Somebody's getting some work done on the computer.
Yeah, so basically members have a subscription. It means that when they get any kind of trouble at all, they call us and we get there to help them out. We help them in a lot of ways. We pull people off sandbars, we deliver fuel, we tow them back, something breaks, so kind of whatever they need, we'll kind of.
Okay.
The only thing we heard is there's nowhere to anchor there.
At Fishers?
Yeah, is that not true?
Yeah, hop board real quick, I'll show you my chart.
No way.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I don't make you uncomfortable.
No, it's fine.
But usually by now you take a lot of strangers, so I could hardly make it any worse. Come on in, it's okay. So down here is Plum Island, where they, you probably read about that, because it's a biological kind of testing site.
Yeah, we did.
Kind of stuff there. So you can anchor here in West Harbor. These little bites are great.
Okay.
Wow, how awesome was that? We gave the boat a nice little wash today. And she's looking good. Looking clean. Wow, those look nice.
There's a before shot
That one was worse though, I believe. Guys doing some crabbing. We just left our sweet little anchorage off of Goose Island. Now we're gonna head back to Old Saybrook. It's Labor Day weekend, so there's some sales, so we're gonna go do some grocery shopping, stock up, and hang out on some free moorings for the weekend. Waiting for the train bridge to open. Pretty. We caught some more blue crabs for dinner.
So 4 again? Is that what we got? Or 5?
There's 5 in there.
That one. Erik is sleeping, and I'm getting ready to go to the farmer's market.
I did get up. We made it to the farmer's market. It was small but sweet. Super cute little town. I'm sitting here reading a book I just got from the bookstore on the history of the Caribbean. And on and ran to the hardware store. We just went to the farmer's market. We've got 6 blue crab for dinner tonight. But before our fabulous bok choy crab dinner, Anna decided to give our dinghy a fresh coat of paint. The blue anti-fouling was kind of getting all over everything while it was on deck, so she gave it a nice white coat. Turned out really nice. Thanks, baby.
Are you ready?
Okay, go.
Make sure he can see. Yeah, I see you. Okay. Is it gonna be cold?
Oh, yes. It's cold.
Okay. So these are all vegetables and fruit from the farmer's market in Saybrook. So we have fresh bok choy, kale, apples even from the farmer's market. This yummy garlic jam that someone made. This is the bok choy that's going with the garlic jam and crab. This is going to become a Thai tuna salad.
This whole life on you, could you be my truth? In a line and I've been let in when you are the proof. Dancing in the aisle. When I lay me down to sleep, pray my soul for you to keep and take good care. Cause I know you would treat me fair. So let me be the pain you wish to bear. In your arms, underneath the chandelier, you speak to me.
This is probably way too much food. And we're gonna have too many leftovers that we have no fridge space for.
Good work, honey.
But I can't help myself. You found the stone. Where'd you find it at? Where'd you find it?
In the couch.
Really?
Join us next week as we have a wonderful sail to beautiful Block Island, New York, and eventually make our way back to New Haven and Port Washington.